welcome to Sleepy Acre Farm. Well, we are expanding. Many of you know that we do have chickens, but we have ordered quail eggs. So we are going to be having quail. We are expecting our eggs about mid-August. So I ordered these rails from Amazon. They were a really good price, got to me really quickly. But now I'm trying to figure out how do I put them in here. Because when you're looking at this, I'm like, okay, you're trying to push it up, they won't come up. They just will not come up. And I was so scared I was going to break these because they're just plastic. So I've done a little research and I have discovered how to do that. And I want to share that with you. So the first thing that we need to do today, right here, the motor, it's the first thing you need to do. It is screwed in. I've already taken the screws out because I didn't want you to sit there and have to watch me take screws out. So you'll unscrew these so that you can just remove the motor altogether. Okay. Now once you do that, you can turn this. You can turn this right here to where the eggs turner is sideways, like that, okay? Now once you do that, these will pop right out of there. Just like that, okay? Now, to add the quail rail, oh gosh, thought I was gonna break it anyway. At one end has just like a little nub, and you'll see like one end has holes and the other end has where this goes in, okay? So we'll just stick the little nubs in the holes, and then down here at the end, you do have to keep it sideways. If you keep it flat, it will not go, will not. So you have to turn it sideways and just add all of your little rails here. Just like that. Okay. So once you get your rails in, you'll turn them all on their side, and you'll take this piece right here, and then you just put it right under here, and you just start popping those. They go right in there. When they're on their side like that, they fit right in there just beautifully. Okay? And then you'll pull it up and you'll flatten back out your rails like that. Okay? All right? And then you'll just take your motor. You'll see this little piece here, the screws, the screw holes. The screw holes will go on the bottom. And you just slide it right in this piece right here. And then you'll put the screws back in. So there you go. It's all ready for our quail eggs, and while looking at how many holes I've got here, it makes me want to see if I can order more, but we'll see. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for being here, and if this video has helped you, or if you're interested in learning to start your own homestead or just venturing into new ideas and new avenues, please hit the subscribe button, and if you'd like to receive notification when new videos are out, just ring that bell so that we can grow it, raise it, love it, and share it together. God bless.